Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about a common problem that some users may encounter when trying to install ImageMagick. Have you ever tried to install ImageMagick, only to find out that the legacy tools, especially Convert, are missing from the installation? If you have, then you're in the right place because we're going to dive into this issue and find a solution for it. In order to solve this problem, you can try downloading an older version of ImageMagick from an archive.org snapshot of the ImageMagick.org website. By installing an older version of ImageMagick, you should be able to access the legacy tools that are missing from the newer versions. This solution has worked for many users who have encountered the same issue, so it's definitely worth giving it a try if you're facing this problem. Solution aside, downloading an older version of ImageMagick from an archive.org snapshot of the ImageMagick.org website seems to be the most effective way to get the legacy tools, such as Convert, that are missing from the newer installations. It's a straightforward fix that has helped many users overcome this obstacle and continue using ImageMagick without any issues. So, don't hesitate to give it a shot and see if it works for you too. In summary, if you're struggling with ImageMagick not installing the legacy tools, particularly Convert, the solution lies in downloading an older version from an archive.org snapshot of the ImageMagick.org website. It's a simple yet effective workaround that can make your ImageMagick experience a whole lot smoother. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any other tech problems you'd like us to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and until next time.